and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Alifeda Silva and I'll be really glad if you ever take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. And while you subscribe, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I'm on YouTube. Okay, so as you all have read by the title that it is going to be reacting to anonymous text. Okay, so what do I really mean by this title? Okay, so today is 1st of June. Yesterday was 31st May. So yesterday there is a link called Komi, something like that. So I had used that link a long time back, like when I was in ninth or something like that. That time I had used it once. Like on that link, you have to put that link in your Instagram or WhatsApp or Facebook, whatever you want to, and your friends can text you using that link, and they can text anything, but their name will be anonymous. Okay, so that is the reason it was fun at that time because it was very much trending, and I thought that why not bring it back again. And I had decided this idea like last month something, but then I was like I'll wait for a while for just like that. So yes, and then it is going to be so much fun because let me just tell you everything. I have got like 20 to 25 questions, something like that, and to answer all of those, and those are really good questions, and feedbacks like that. So I'm really very much excited to answer all of those questions. And secondly, I had shut down the link like right now because I'm not doing it anymore because the link is shut down. Like it's not going to be of any use after this video. So I have shut down that link, and there all the people who went and put a message over there. Thank you so much for that, and I really I'm happy by your support of putting that message there, because if you guys will not put a message there, then this video will be a big flop. So, and then next thing is I'm so excited. Like when I was reading those questions, I was like, oh my god, what should I answer these? How should I answer, and etc. And I'm so much excited. I will be putting the questions like here also, so it will be easy for you guys. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So here I'm having the questions with me. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this, guys. First question is make horror vlogs. Okay, guys, whoever have given this question, it's like anonymous. So whoever have given this message, to let you guys know, I get scared. मुझे नहीं चलता है, मैं डर जाती हूँ बहुत easily. So to make horror vlog means, oh my god, I can't. So that is the reason I can't do horror vlogs, like at least right now, because I get scared very easily. So no horror vlogs right now, at least not now. Maybe later we can try, but presently not now. Next, Gaur Dokri Bari Meka. I know this is of course by my friends. I'm sure about that. And yes, I'm very much fine. Thank you, dear, for messaging here. Thank you. And I'm sure that she's one of my friends. I'm sure about that. Okay, so the next question is, Miss you, Ali Chan. My question is, what is your motivation for doing regular videos? How are you so consistent? Okay, this is one of I guess this is by one of my friends because they're calling me Ali. That means it's someone from my friend circle. Okay, so my question is, what is your motivation for doing regular videos? How are you so consistent? Okay, the motivation is you guys. You all motivate me a lot by the maximum views I get on the video I upload. It gives me a confidence and motivation that I can do more videos like this. So the main reason for my motivation is you guys. So yes, and how I use it consistent, it is just because I'm at home currently. I don't have anything to do right now. So all I can do is to, entertain you guys by some or the other way. So and I feel that I love filming videos a lot, and I search for ideas day and night. And when I get those ideas, I plan how to, execute those plans, and then I do it. So it's all because of that. And okay, so the next, you are you're the best champ. You have come so far. Look at the amazing journey you have come from last year when you had just started YouTube. Oh my god, this just melts my heart. Like, because it is really very true. Like, I never thought that I could do this at any cost, because I don't know, it's just a very different feeling. Like, last year I started my YouTube channel on July 17, and now it's 1st June. Like, only 1 month is left for me to complete 1 year, and the journey has been amazing. So many ups and downs, so many laughter, so many happiness, and it's just very much overwhelming. And thank you all for just supporting me and subscribing and liking and watching my videos. Thank you so much. It won't be possible without you guys. So yes, next. Thank you for your question, whoever it is. Okay, next. Niece Atho. Guess who am I? Niece Atho. It is again by one of my friends. I'm sure. Who am I? I'm guessing it. It is Ria, because she normally uses this emoji. Like this emoji. She normally uses it. So I feel that it could be Ria. But I don't know. And if the comments are on for this video, I don't know if it is on or no. Again, that problem is just, so if Ria, if you're watching this and if I guessed it right, then please let me know in the comment section. Yes. So next question. Next, this. Hey Ali, you are a champ. You are the best. You're doing a great job. Keep doing it and inspiring. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you. And thank you for watching my videos. And yes, thank you. Okay, next. What's one thing you really wanna learn how to do? Okay, so I want to learn to cook first. I am like, I can cook, like, snacks and a breakfast thing, I can do that, but to cook dinner or lunch, I don't know anything of it. So I would love to learn that, and secondly, I would love to learn more editing skills and how to film more effectively on YouTube. I would love to learn that. Okay, so the next question is, what if you get a chance to become a film star for a day? Um, I don't know. Like, first of all, I would be blessed to be on that position. It's for a day, but still, I will be really very blessed. And secondly, I would love to do a collab with my favorite actor, like film stars and actresses like that. I would love to do that if I would be a film star for a day. Yes. Next question. What is your greatest regret? Okay, so my greatest regret is that I should have started this journey of YouTube a long time back. So that is my biggest regret, because I started my YouTube channel on in July, and my board exams had got over in March itself. And if I could have started my journey after in April or something like that, then it would be a long run for me, and I would have reached a different um, milestone. But that's absolutely fine, because whatever happened happened for a reason, and I'm happy to be here right now. So yes, that is the only regret I have. Yeah. Next, what are all your dreams about? My major dream is YouTube. I want to achieve YouTube a lot more than anything else in my life currently. Like, I feel that this is my comfort zone. Like, um, this is what I want in my life. And next question. Hi, you're doing great. Keep on doing, and you will be successful. Thank you so much. Thank you. It really means a lot. God bless you. Next question. Ali, your motivation is next level. You never fail to upload video. You are so consistent. Hats off to you, champ. Don't worry, Ali. Tough days will pass. Thank you so much. It really means a lot. Thank you. God bless you. And the as I told you all, that motivation is you guys. And then I never fail to upload video. It's because I feel that if I don't upload a video, then the people who subscribe to my channel, they always be ki, today new video will come, tomorrow new video will come, like that. And I want to be consistent so that you all may enjoy watching it, and once you all enjoy watching it, you all will love watching my videos, and you all will promote my channel to someone else, so I could reach greater heights. So I am consistent on YouTube, and I never fail to upload a video on Monday and Thursday. So yes, next question. And God bless you. The one that. Next. How long do you plan on doing YouTube? This is a very good question. Like, I am planning to do YouTube for my entire lifetime. I don't know how it's going to happen, but yes, I'm going to continue with YouTube as long as I can, like as long as I can. Next question. What are you afraid of? Oh, don't ask. I'm afraid of water. I'm afraid of lizards. Like, oh god, lizards and frogs. I hate. I just नहीं जमता है. I hate. I don't like at all. Next question. Hi. Next question. These three are a set of one question. Like, all the three questions are related to one topic only. So I thought of putting those up together. Next, please make some Marathi challenge videos. Please make videos in Marathi language. Please make one video in English without speaking Hindi or English. Yes, I will make a video in Marathi as soon as possible. Don't worry about that. I will be doing a video in Marathi. And I actually love speaking Marathi a lot more than I love speaking Hindi. Like, Hindi, though, I don't know how to speak Hindi, but I try a little bit. And English, it's like I can speak, yeah. Okay, there are more 2 questions to go. Ali, I love you a lot. Always stay blessed and take care of yourself. You look so damn beautiful, Ali. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Next. Which career path do you want to choose other than YouTube? I'll keep the phone aside because that was the last question. So the other career path that I will choose other than YouTube is to go in fashion career or in teaching. These are the only 2 options that I can think of other than YouTube. That's it. I've reacted to all of those questions. Like, there were almost like 24 something questions, 24 to 25 questions. I've completed it very shortly and very appropriately. So if you all want a part 2, let me know in the comment section, and if the comments are off, then you can message me on Instagram on this account. And yes, and I am really very thankful for all of those who have put their time in messaging all of those questions and feedbacks. Thank you so much, and thank you for all your support. And I am really very much blessed to have you all guys. And this video is actually really fun to understand what these people had to ask me. Please watch the bloopers in the end. There are a lot of them, not a lot of them, but hai do teen. So tell me go and watch it. And so if you love the video, please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. And while you subscribe, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I'm on YouTube. And I will see you guys on Monday. Yes, and guys, I upload on Monday and Thursday. Don't forget, new videos are coming on Monday and Thursday at 11:30 in the morning. Please stay safe, stay happy, and God bless you all. Ta-da! So it will be easy for you. Sorry.